YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this video on my most recent purchase. I mentioned in my last video that I used part of my stockpile budget to purchase some non-food items, and here's one of the items that I did buy. Now I will be doing an additional video next week about some more non-food items that I also purchased, so be on the lookout for that video as well. So this is the FoodSealer FM2000 vacuum sealing system. This was supposed to be a traditional unboxing, but I had a hard time maneuvering the camera while pulling everything out. So I decided to just put everything on the table so that you could actually see it for yourself. So let's get into it. Now everything you see comes in the box, and this retails for $89. Now this comes with pre-cut as well as uncut bags. It comes with 2 of the gallon-size pre-cut bags. It also comes with 3 of the pre-cut quart-size bags. There you see the owner's manual. And it comes with this accessory hose. Now this accessory hose plugs into the accessory port right there. And this is where you would actually purchase some FoodSealer accessories separately. One of the ones that I do want to get is the jar sealer. So I want to get the jar sealer, find me some mason jars, and then I can use this to actually seal those mason jars up. I know mason jars are hard to find right now, but hopefully I can find something. In addition, it comes with an uncut bag, an uncut roll of bags. All right, so this roll is 11 inches by 10 feet. So that's 10 feet of uncut bags that come with this system. Now, as I said, I do plan on next week making another video about some non-food prep. I will probably be doing my bug out bag, or rather my niece's bug out bag. I finished her bug out bag last week. I do prep with my niece in mind, even though she doesn't live with me. Also, I'm going to give you a demonstration of how this system works. Now, I do have to apologize in advance because I did have my dishwasher on when I was filming, and I didn't want to mute the sound on that clip because I want you to hear what the FoodSealer sounds like. So without further ado, let's get into that demonstration. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Y'all have a great week. Bye-bye.